Vivekians, this is your Srishti ma'am, and our today's class is of English language. But I won't tell you the topic today. Topic I'll tell you later on. So let's begin with our work. So my question is, पहले तो आज मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पुट अप करना चाहती हूँ. What is the color of your mobile? You all must be having mobile right now in front of you, in which you are watching my video. So उस मोबाइल का कलर क्या है? So your answer will be the color of my mobile is red, black, white or blue or some other color also. Okay, so now you know these colors red, black, white and blue, they are describing your mobile. ये आपके मोबाइल को describe कर रहे हैं. What color it is of? Okay, now second question. How is the screen of your mobile? Is the screen big, small or medium? So your answer will be the screen of my mobile is big or medium. So kids, just deeply go through these questions. Mobile here is a noun, common noun, because each and everyone is having mobile. So mobile is a common noun. And in the first question, like the color, which is describing the mobile, these colors are called as adjective. These words are called as adjective. In the second question, how is the screen of your mobile? Again, we are talking about the mobile screen, which is a noun. So it is big, small or medium. Again, this big, small and medium are describing the screen, which is again a common noun. So these words are called as adjectives. So yes, our today's topic is adjectives. So adjective says that these are the words that tell us more about a person, animal, place or thing, or which are collectively called as noun. That means adjectives are those words, वो ऐसे words हैं which describe us about the noun. And what comes in noun? A person, an animal, a place or a thing. Let's have these 2-3 examples are there. The rose is a beautiful flower. Now what is the noun over here? First of all we need to identify the noun, because noun को जो describe करेगा that only will be adjective. So here flower is a noun. What noun it is? Common noun. So how is the flower? It is beautiful flower. Please give me some water. Now what is noun here? Noun is water. How much water? Some water. So some is the adjective. Now if suppose it comes to you in the form of fill-ups, they will return the books after dash weeks. 2 week, 1 week, next week. Sorry, after is there, so next cannot be added. I can see that mango tree. Which mango tree? Mango tree is kya hai? It is the noun. Which mango tree? That mango tree. So that is the adjective. Now let's so there are number of adjectives around us. बहुत सारे adjectives हैं. So we have categorized them into different types. Now let's see what are those types. So we have first is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. Now let's study one by one about them. So the first is adjective of quality. It tells us about the kind or nature of the noun. It answers the question, what kind of? That means ये हमें बताते हैं कि हमारे noun की quality कैसी है, nature कैसा है, type कैसा है हमारे noun का. ठीक है? And अगर आपको still नहीं समझ आए तो it is an easy thing. You just sort out what is the noun in the sentence and then put up the question, what kind of? Like see, if suppose I don't know in the first sentence what is the adjective, I'll say honest people are always respected. So I'll see what is the noun in it. People is the noun. What kind of people? Honest people. So it has answered my question, what kind of? Street food is unhealthy. What kind of food is unhealthy? ठीक है? Mumbai is a big city. What kind of city is Mumbai? It is a big city. Clear? So these are adjective of quality. They are telling us the quality कि मुंबई कैसी city है. It is a big city. Street food कैसा होता है? Unhealthy. What type of people are respected? Honest people. Next is adjective of quantity. Quantity means it tells us about the, you can say it tells us about the measurement. Kitna hai. It tells us about the quantity of a thing. It answers the question how much. Now if you are not getting adjective of quantity ki sentence mein kaun sa hai, to find the noun and put up the question how much. Now see in first, I have enough time to complete the work. Noun is time. How much time? Enough time. Many students are absent today. How much students? Yeah, how many students are absent? Many students. There is little food in the tiffin. How much food is there? Little food. Got it? First you have to sort the noun. आपको noun pick out करना है what is there in the sentence, and after that you have to put up the question how much. Next is adjective of number. It tells us about the number of person, things or animals. कितने number में है? 5, 10, 12, many. ठीक है? So it answers the question how many. There is one mistake in Mona's homework. How many mistakes? One mistake. There are 12 mangoes in the basket. The noun is mangoes. So how many mangoes? 12 mangoes. So 12 is adjective of number. All the students were present in the assembly. How many students were present? All. Now there can be a bit confusion between adjective of quantity and number. So let's clear it up. Some adjectives of quantity and number convey the same idea. Like first I'm having little. Little I use with uncountable noun, means noun which cannot be counted. Like pain. Can we count pain? 5 gram or 5 meter or 5 rupees? No, we cannot count. So pain is uncountable. Another is, if I say happy, can I count happy? ठीक है? So some words are there which cannot be counted. Those are called as uncountable noun, and with uncountable noun we use the adjective little. Rohan is having little pain in his body. We cannot count the pain. Same, another word is few. Few we use with countable noun. Like we need few hours for the project. Few hours means hours we can count up. We can count the. Next is much. Much is again used with uncountable noun. The baby is much happier. Can we measure his happiness? No. So such words we use much. Next is many. Many we use with countable noun. With numbers, adjective of numbers we use. I got many gifts on my birthday. I can count the number of gifts, whether they are 5, 10, 20, 18. So that is we use many. So coming on to the next. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative का पहले तो आपको मीनिंग पता होना चाहिए. Demonstrative means pointing out. When we are looking at something and we are pointing out. So it is used to point out the naming words, and it answers the question which. ये आपके question का answer करता है which. Like look at that tree. Now that is noun. Which tree? That tree. तो that क्या है? Demonstrative adjective. Like this bike is V shoes. Which bike is V shoes? This bike I'm talking about. इस particular bike की बात कर रहे हैं. So we use the demonstrative adjective. I got these dresses from the market. What kind of dresses? Which dresses? These dresses. She doesn't watch such movies. What type of movies? Which movies? Such movies. Now here is given कि when to use this and these and that and those. See here, this and these are used to point out the person or things which are near. जो आपके nearby हैं उसके लिए हम use करते हैं this for singular and these for plural noun. Then come that and those. That we use for singular noun and those we use for plural noun. But to tell the things which are far from us. The things which are very far from us, जो हमसे दूर है, for that we use that or those, and the things which are near to us, for that we use this and these. So this is demonstrative adjective. Next one is interrogative adjectives. These adjectives ask a question. They interrogate. They ask the question. Which animal is that? यहाँ पर अब noun क्या है? It is animal. तो they are talking about animal को क्या? कौन सा animal? Which animal they are talking? Which dress do you want? What is the noun? Dress. तो dress के बारे में बात हो रही है. तो which is the interrogative. Whose books are on the table? So which, whose, who, these words are called as interrogative adjectives. Now coming on to the last type of adjective, that is possessive adjectives. It shows possession or belonging. मैं आपको एक बार अच्छे से बता दूं, possession का मतलब होता है कि दे शो कि किसकी है, ये नाउन किसको बिलोंग करता है, ठीक है. And it answers the question whose. They sold their house. The noun is house. Whose house? Their house. उनका house. किसको belong करता है वो house? Their. My pet is not well. Whose pet? My pet. Pet किसको belong करता है? To me. तो my pet. Please give your English book. Whose English book? Your book. तो book किसको belong कर रही है? To the person in front. So that was the end of the topic. Let's summarize a bit. First of all, we did the define of adjective. Those are the describing words that tell us more about noun. Then further we had the types of adjective of quality, which tells us like rose is a beautiful flower. What type of flower is rose? Then quantity, that tells us about how much. Number, it tells us how many. Interrogative, it asks a question. Demonstrative, it tells us to a particular thing, pointing out to a thing like these mangoes are very yummy. Then is possessive, which shows the belonging, कि किसको belong करता है. This house is mine. किसका house है ये? Mine. किसको belong कर रहा है? To me. ठीक है? So that's coming to an end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, stay home, and keep learning. So the PDF is there on the school website. Kindly go through there and solve it up, and you will be soon receiving the answers of it also. So thank you and have a nice day and enjoy your day.